Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll tell you 10 cheapest hotels in Raipur. I will tell you the hotel names and prices so you can decide at which one you like best and suitable for your budget. In Raipur, the hotel prices are always changing. That's why in the description, I'll give you all the booking link so you can check the price and book a room. If you are looking for cheapest hostels, hotels, flight booking, car rental, travel packages and activities, check the link in the description box. If you have any questions, ask me on Instagram. Link in the description. So let's get started. Hotel The Blue Moon. This hotel is near Raipur Railway Station. Prices start at 500 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a pre-Wi-Fi kitchen, car park and many more amenities. Hotel Guru Kripa. This hotel is near Raipur Railway Station. Prices start at 600 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a pre-Wi-Fi kitchen, car park and many more amenities. 13657. This hotel is near Raipur Railway Station. Prices start at 700 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a pre-Wi-Fi kitchen, restaurant, car park and many more amenities. Hotel Sun. The hotel is near Raipur Railway Station. Prices start at 800 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a pre-Wi-Fi kitchen and many more amenities. Sunita Lodge. The hotel is near Raipur Railway Station. Prices start at 900 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a pre-Wi-Fi kitchen, car park and many more amenities. Your flagship 41370. This hotel is near Guru Gobind Singh Chowk. Prices start at 1000 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a pre-Wi-Fi kitchen, car park and many more amenities. Your flagship 805653. This hotel is near Raipur Railway Station. Prices start at 1100 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a pre-Wi-Fi kitchen and many more amenities. Hotel Midtown. This hotel is near Modapara. Prices start at 1200 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a pre-Wi-Fi kitchen, restaurant and many more amenities. Heaven Inn Lodge. The hotel is near Raipur Railway Station. Prices start at 1300 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a pre-Wi-Fi kitchen and many more amenities. 82328. This hotel is near Raipur Railway Station. Prices start at 1500 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a pre-Wi-Fi kitchen, restaurant and many more amenities. Friends, if this video has helped you, please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends and relatives. You can check out my other travel related YouTube channel too. Link in the description. See you in my next video. Take care friends.